Hi, hello to every lover of Creative Events International. You are welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to make this beautiful design of turban. We are going to be working with satin, satin. We are working with satin. The second fabric I use for the cap, I don't know the name. Even in the market, they told me that they don't know the name. So we prepared 8 stripes, all right, for the satin. That 8 stripe is what we are going to be using to do the work. 8 is enough, but if you want it bigger than what I have, you can do 10, but 8 is enough. And the video did not cover how to make this cap because I believe that a lot of us can make cap, but apart from that, I have videos on how to just make an ordinary cap without design, so you can watch out for those ones. You can search for them, you will see it. All right, so preparing the cap, I have a lot of videos on my channel where I already prepared this type of cap, and I felt it's not necessary. So I started by fixing my stripe, and by the way, the length of my stripe is 30 inches, so I worked with 30 inches so that it will be enough. Normally head circumference is 22, so by that, like 24 inches should have been okay, but so that we can have the extra we need to make the design, I worked with 30 inches. All right, so and to make the stripe also, I have videos of more than 2 3 4 videos on my channel where I have made the stripe. So my basic concern for today is the design. So I started by fixing one of the stripes using thread. All right, so I use thread because when you do it like this, it makes you not to use your glue directly on the base of the turban, and also it makes the cap adjustable because whatever you start applying glue to and there is any mistake, you will not be able to correct it, so it will just be like you have to leave it that way. So because of that, we are not taking chances. We started by fixing the first one, all right, with thread. Okay, and you have to make sure you are not giving too much gap as you sew. If not, there will be some form of opening, and you don't want that to happen. So your own is just to concentrate and fix it carefully. Also, I want to steal out some time to beg you that every video I post, please watch it to the very end. I see a lot of questions on my comment section that I don't really feel too happy about, because if ordinarily you watch the video to the very end, you would have been able to get every question, the answers to every question that you are asking. So please do watch this video to the very end. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Don't skip. Don't just watch it to the very end so that you can know how to do it and do it in a very perfect way. All right, so that's just what I have to say to you. Let's go ahead with our design. So we sew. After sewing the remaining 7 stripes, I'm going to be attaching it using um I'll be using hot glue to attach it. Is that okay? So please, I'll be using hot glue to attach only this very first one that I am attaching using my hand needle and thread. Okay. Please, I want you to take note that the very first stripe I did not fold it. That's because we needed to add handle to it. Please take note of that, because we are going to add handle to it. So we did not fold that first one, and even still we can include the second stripe in the handle, but if one is okay, it's fine.